guys, here's what I'm doing. I'm getting ready to dial in this fixture, and what I'm going to need to do first, take off this huge boring bar. I'm going to set up the dial indicator, and this doesn't have to be perfect, just getting it within 20-30 thou so I can do a face cut and basically face off that bolt head or plug bolt, whatever you want to call it, and face off a nice wide uh, entrance for a new 2-inch NTP plug instead of the looks like a half-inch or a 3/4, because the problem I'm having here is when we repair these things, and if the tail bearing is washed out, meaning it's higher than the recommended specification for tolerance, what we've got to do is press the old bearings out, or you run into the problem of having to chuck this thing up and trying to bore it out. So I was just going to nip it in the bud and make it a lot easier, because this is not the first time we've seen this pump. It's probably the second time now, and I'm just looking down the road because I can just see it on the wall. One day it's going to come back, and it's the older I get, the less bullshit I want to fucking deal with. So just getting rid of it now. And so here you go, enjoy. I'm getting a good clean surface with this buffing wheel, so I can have at least a halfway accurate indication. But anywho, enjoy. Oh, and one more thing. Notice how I'm wearing PPE. I got my safety glasses on. I got rubbers on. Just good habits to get into when you're machining or doing anything in a big shop like what we're dealing with. Alrighty. Fun fact. Okay, guys and gals, and all in between, we're getting ready to wrap up this episode. But if you liked what you saw and enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more interesting stuff that I got around what I do on a daily basis, then go ahead and click a subscribe. I'm actually getting a little better at this video editing, so yeah, hopefully some better, more interesting projects and better videos to come. I'm hoping to at least upgrade my shitty GoPro to something else like a 4K Yi or something. But anywho, that's another day. That's another project. So anywho, tune in next time for part 2 of vertical turbine pump modifications. Y'all have an awesome day. Laters.